Hey everyone, today we're going to give you an interior cabin tour on the Norwegian Joy. This is room number 10521, so check it out. Hey everyone, welcome to the Norwegian Joy. I'm Ken and this is Northern Viking Explorer, and if you're new to this channel, it is all about travel, exploring, and discovery, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Today we are sailing out of Seattle on the beautiful Norwegian Joy, and we want to give you a room tour of our interior cabin, so let's head on down there and show you what it looks like. So we are on the 10th deck, cabin 10521, and they've got these nice plaques out front that show if you're in the cabin or if you need it to be made up. You just take your card, it's got an RFID chip in it, and you just tap it on the door and the door will open right up. You do have to make sure that you put your room key into this slot in order for the lights to turn on in the room. But you can see we have a king size bed that also separates into two twins if you need that. There's a really nice desk here on the right hand side with some cabinets, some extra bedding in there, and a little desk for you to work on with some plugs here as well. There's a couple of plugs. Make sure you bring a splitter if you do have lots of things you do want to charge. There's also a little mini fridge down here at the bottom, and your telephone, a little notepad. And underneath you're going to find your hair dryer, the garbage can, as well as a little stool if you do want to sit on that. Turning around towards the bed, you're going to see that there's a couple of these nightstands. There's one here, and we'll show you the other one in a moment, as well as there's shelving behind the bed to keep your phones and things in, and a light switch here, which is really convenient when you want to go to bed at night. You don't have to get up. Over towards where we came in, we'll show you the closet. There's that other nightstand. We actually moved it beside the bed. It did fit in there. You've got your TV and a shelf with some brochures and different things in it. And the closet here. When you open up the closet, there's no drawers, but there's a whole bunch of shelving up the left-hand side, and on top there's some clothes hangers, and your safe is in here as well. So that's a free safe to use. We did have to put our suitcases under the bed, and they did fit in there quite well. These lights on either side of the bed are really cool. There's reading lights on the bottom and main lights on the top, as well as they have a USB plug, which is really convenient for charging your phone or different cameras and things. And there's one of these on each side of the bed. Heading back towards the entrance of the room, you are going to find the washroom, but right next to the washroom is the thermostat for the room, and you can adjust that up and down to make the temperature feel comfortable. In the washroom, you're going to notice there's floor-to-ceiling glass for the shower, and there's ample shelving for all your toiletries. There's a cabinet in here, as well as a nice sink and a large mirror. Having a closer look in the shower, they have this really nice adjustable shower head, as well as they have body wash and conditioning shampoo. There's some shelving in here for your soaps and different things as well. Also down near the floor, you're going to notice that it is sealed off to help keep the washroom nice and dry. And the sink is also a decent size. They've also got some liquid hand soap, some cups for you, as well as towel bars mounted on the wall. On the other side, they do have a sharp trap, as well as some shelving here for all your stuff. And up near the ceiling, they do have one outlet, and this is for shavers only. So this cabin is approximately 135 square feet, and it's on the 10th deck towards the front of the ship. And we booked this room with guaranteed inside, and what that means is that Norwegian Cruise Lines actually decided what cabin we got. We didn't get to decide, so they picked it for us. So I hope you enjoyed this inside cabin tour of room 10521 on the Norwegian Joy. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Explorer because I've got tons of videos coming up that I would love to share with you. Thanks so much for watching, and take care.